So next slide, yeah. And how is it possible? This is mainly the K15 machine, a carousel machine type out of our product portfolio, and this is how a machine can look like if it's configured to do both. So on the one hand, the conventional 4C digital printing process, and on the other hand, also the possibility to generate haptical effects structures. Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Then we start with the pretreatment. When we are talking or when we want to print with UV colors or inks, so we are in the world of digital printing, so it's UV ink, I think, is the correct wording. Then we do have to pre-treat the article before the printing process to achieve an outstanding adhesion. So and therefore we have our machine type K31 in our portfolio. It's a peripheral device. We are flaming on an additive, a pyroxyle or a xylan, onto the article surface to generate an adhesive base. So once the article are pre-treated, we can start with entering into the machine, into the carousel. So this would be, yes, okay, perfect. So once the article are pre-treated, we can enter into the machine. And then we have here a K15 M18. Printing machine. In the first station, we have a detection station. Here is an integrated seam embossing camera, which can detect a seam to decide where on the article exactly you want to print, to not print over a seam. Just for instance, the next station is a heat control station, very important when we are printing, for example, on glass articles. It prevents that we are getting in contact with the article and cause some damage, for example, on a printing head. And as we all know, glasses do have their tolerances. So that's very important to be 100% sure not damaging anything. The next station is our first digital printing station. There we are applying a jettable primer, followed by an exhaust. Then we are applying printing a pre-varnish, white, yellow, magenta, cyan, and black. So this is our main CMYK process. And additionally, then to be able to generate haptical structural effects, we have added 4 more inkjet stations, which are filled with the high build varnish then. And then we are printing layer over layer to be in the position to print such artworks. And finally, in the end, we have our final curing with a conventional UV bulb, 250 watts per centimeter, to be sure that every layer is totally dry, and then the article is finished, done.